My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Bmw X5 M Sport. This vehicle has done just under 44,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we can see features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving over to the touchscreen, we can access connected drive, my vehicle and navigation. We have heated seats on either side. This vehicle comes with a variation of different driving modes. We have Comfort, Eco Pro, Sport and Sport Plus. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it comes with a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.